One of the best benefits of the multi-insertion training system is the fact that it does so many different things. From giving IVs, like the name says, it also does emergency crikes. You can do bone IO, nasopharyngeal airways. It facilitates any type of inline IV thing that, like a saline flush. For the military, that means that you can take this kit out into the field in austere environments, do your hip pocket training, and not have to worry about lugging a huge mannequin around with the supplies. It all comes inside the kit. For your clinical settings, again, everything is inside your kit that you're going to need to set up for a full classroom. You can open up both ends of it, you can run fluids through it. It allows you to be creative. We also provide ample supply. So each kit comes with an ample supply kit. So you're going to be able to train 20, 30 people at a time on one trainer.